In today's tutorial, I am going to show you exactly how to remove an index from a Photoshop layer and convert your image to RGB mode so you can get back to editing without limitations. If you have ever opened a file only to find your tools grayed out and your layers locked because the file is in indexed mode, this video will fix that for you completely. Before we dive into the steps, please hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with more Photoshop productivity tips. Let us get started. First, let us address why this happens. Images frequently become indexed color when you open files like GIFs, certain PNGs, or assets that were previously saved for the web. When Photoshop senses this mode, it restricts many of your editing capabilities. To fix this, open your image in Photoshop. Once the file is open, look at the top menu bar and navigate to Image, then hover over Mode. You will likely see a check mark next to Indexed Color. To fix this, simply click on RGB Color. By switching to RGB, the indexed mode is immediately removed, and you will notice that your tools, filters, and layer options become available again for you to use. However, there is a second common scenario you might encounter. Sometimes, even after converting to RGB, you might find that you still cannot edit properly because the image is set as a locked background layer. If you see a small lock icon next to your layer in the Layers panel, here is what you need to do. Go to your Layers panel, find the layer labeled Background, and double-click it. A dialog box will appear asking you to name the layer. Simply click OK, and that layer will be unlocked. Now you can add new layers, add adjustments, and use all the creative features of Photoshop without any restrictions. It's honestly that simple, and knowing these two quick fixes will save you a lot of headache when working with web-optimized assets. Converting to RGB color is the absolute key to restoring full functionality to your workspace. I hope this walkthrough was helpful for your project. If this video helped you solve your Photoshop layer troubles, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button for more easy guides. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.